guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing Cranberry Hair. This is a unboxing. It says choose cranberry, choose beauty. In the box you get 4 beautiful headbands. You get a beautiful cheetah print headband. Look at the fine prints in this, guys. Ooh. And then you get a beautiful multicolored floral headband. Look at the multicolors in this one. Oh my god, I am so in love. And then you have this spicy jazz type of multicolored headband, which is also pretty, and it can go with just anything you wear. Then you get a classic headband. This is more of an urban headband, and I love this beautiful mustard color. All of these headbands are fire. You also get instruction care, and you get your beautiful headband wig. This is a 24-inch body wave, you guys. Let's get into Cranberry's hair. This hair already is super black, and I love that because we don't have to do any coloring. And let's take a look at the beautiful shine that this hair already has. Look at the luxury in this hair. Look at the wave pattern. Oh, I am so in love and can't wait to review this. You guys stay tuned and let's get into this hair. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be reviewing Cranberry's hair as I showed you guys. You guys, this hair is so beautiful. I love the texture already. And you guys, do you see this black? I did not rinse this or color it in any way and form. I got this hair from Cranberry Hair. As you can tell, this hair already giving me vibes, and I cannot wait to style it. This is a headband wig, and not only is this a headband wig, this is not no ordinary headband wig. This is handmade headband wig. Look at the insides, guys. It comes with a band, a black band, and I love it. This band is super stretchy. And it has a velcro in the back where you can adjust it to your liking and the size of your head. It also has combs in the inside. It comes with 3 in the front. I love that because you want your wig to be super secured. And it has a comb in the back, you guys. And it also comes with adjustable straps where you can hook it onto the loops here and make the wig super snuggly. We love us some headband wigs because you can throw it on, go to the gym, go to the store. If you're in a rush, headband wigs are just it right now, okay? It saves you so much time and it saves you so much money, you guys. This headband wig was super affordable. Oh my god, I just put it to the front of me. Oh man. OMG, this hair is so beautiful. Wow, this looked like luxury hair, you guys. It looked like I spent a lot of money on this, and I didn't. Wow, I love how shiny it is. And you guys, it looks so full, and it's really lightweight. Like, that's crazy. Like, oh my god, I haven't even styled it yet and I am so in love. Now I'm just gonna put out a little bit of baby hairs because I don't want to do too much. But you guys, take a look at this hair. I'm stunned how beautiful and shiny and black. This is 100% Brazilian hair. You can put heat to it, you can wash it, you can curl it, you can actually dye it into some streaks if you like. But you guys, I'm gonna wear mine like this because I like to keep it simple, and they did send a few headbands that I like to try just in case you go buy your own headband wig and they send you these. You'll know exactly how it look before you actually get to purchase it. So you guys, we're gonna style my baby hairs, and I hope you enjoy the music. Alright you guys, once you got your baby hairs in the exact form you like it, I like my baby hairs just like this, not too much, something really simple and cute. I like to use the edge control to push back my hair just a little bit, and then I take my wig caps and I move it forward, like right there in the center, because you want a little bit of your hair to show, like here, and you want your baby hairs to show. Then you're gonna take those combs and you're just gonna press them into your hair. This wig has combs right at the right spots. I love that because you want your wig to be secured, because if anyone tries to pull and snug, it won't come off. Then I like to take the back comb and just pull it down and push it into my natural hair. And then I like to flip this headband. Instead of flipping it forward, I like to flip it backwards like so, and then just grab the straps to the back and just adjust it. Me, I'm a really simple girl. I like to wear my headband wigs just like this with the black headband, but when you purchase your cranberry hair, you do get some beautiful headbands like these, and I think these are so pretty. I can't wait to try them. And they sent a regular headband, you guys. I have a little bonus. I have this headband. It's a little Prada headband, and I do want to try it on with the wig also. So we're gonna try the first headband and let's see how that look. You're just gonna put it right where the black headband is. The hair feels super soft and super, like, it's thick, I'm not gonna lie. So you guys, this is the first headband and I like it. It's very simple. If you want to run some errands, you throw this one on. If you want to go to work, you could throw this one on. It's so cute. I like it. It's simple. But we're gonna try headband number 2. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, I am so sprung over this hair. We're gonna try headband number 2, which is like a floral flowers in there. OMG, OMG. I think this is my favorite. I think this is my fave. Yes, this is my favorite headband right here. Oh my god, I love this. I love this so much. And the oh, this hair is so beautiful, you guys. I think this is the best hair I've ever seen or touched. It feels so great. So this is headband number 2. And I really like this color. It goes with my robe, and I'm pretty sure it will go with anything that you wear. So we're gonna try headband number 3, which is one of my favorite prints. It's a cheetah print. So let's put that one on and see how that looks. Alright, we're gonna try headband number 3. Let's see how that one looks. Ooh, I think this is my fave. Okay, I like this one also. Alright, I like this one. Cranberry Hair. You just changed the game with these headbands. And your hair is fire and your headbands is fire. Girl, go get you this wig, okay? Go get you this wig and you won't regret it, because I am so stunned and I am so in love. Like, this is giving me like bougie, rich. I'm that. I love it so much, you guys. I'm gonna try on headband number 4 so you can see how that one looks. Ooh, giving me very much urban vibes. Very much going on a brunch date. Very much I'm that queen. Like, I entered the room, hello, all eyes on me. Very much beautiful. Well, I love this look so much. Like, I really like the little hump right here. We're gonna try headband number 4, which is a Prada gold headband, and we're just gonna see how that looks. And I recently purchased this headband because I'm so in love with headband wigs lately. Yes, I am loving this, okay? I'm sure if I folded the black headband underneath my wig and put this band on top, it would look so pretty, you guys. This is giving me so much. I am luxury, black luxury, just beautiful queen. Like, this hair is so nice. I love Cranberry Hair. I will be purchasing so much more from them. This is 24 inches. 24 inches, and it reached right there up to the boob. You guys see the pattern in the hair is so beautiful. And you guys, check the description box below if you want to purchase you a wig like this. They also have regular wigs, like frontal hair. Their hair is just like luxury. Oh my god, let's talk about black queen, black luxury. Like, let's get into this hair. You know, on TikTok everyone's saying like black girl magic, black girl luxury. This hair is giving me that type of vibe. Like, their reviews are fire. Like, if you buy this hair, make sure to check out the reviews. Everyone has something great to say about Cranberry Hair, and that's why I decided to do this review, so I can show you guys this hair. And if you want to purchase your own headband wig, don't forget to visit the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. Thank you.